Which of the following is the world's largest airliner? A. Airbus A350. B. Airbus A320. C. Airbus A380. D. Airbus A340. The correct answer is Airbus A380. Which of the following is the largest aircraft by weight? A. Boeing 777. B. Antonov An-225 Mriya. C. Airbus A380. D. MD-80. The correct answer is Antonov An-225 Mriya. Control systems are sometimes also used to increase or decrease A. altitude. B. airspeed. C. drag. D. thrust. The correct answer is drag. The tail section is also referred to as A. undercarriage. B. cockpit. C. rudder. D. empennage. The correct answer is empennage. Engine fuel is usually stored in the wings, but some aircraft have additional fuel tanks in the A. undercarriage. B. tail. C. fuselage. D. nose. The correct answer is fuselage. Which of the following is not true about fly-by-wire systems? A. improved safety. B. high maintenance costs. C. lighter in weight. D. reliable. The correct answer is high maintenance costs. Which of the following aircraft holds the record for the fastest recorded powered aircraft flight? A. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. B. Sukhoi 30. C. Concorde. D. NASA X-43 A Pegasus. The correct answer is NASA X-43 A Pegasus. Yaw is a rotation about the axis. A. vertical. B. longitudinal. C. horizontal. D. diagonal. The correct answer is vertical. A rotary wing is typically unstable in A. yaw. B. roll. C. pitch. D. bank. The correct answer is yaw. Avionics are generally electrical in nature. A. true. B. false. C. D. The correct answer is true. Pitch of an aircraft is based on its angle of attack. A. true. B. false. C. D. The correct answer is true.